I'm back. So I ordered this from Amazon. I have one of these in storage, but I don't know where it is. It could be in 100 boxes. Since we moved, everything is in storage. So ordered the cheapest one possible on Amazon. This is also the cheapest one possible anywhere. Tried Wicks, Screwfix, B&Q, and a few other shops, and this was the cheapest, £30 delivered from Amazon next day before 1 PM. So 300 watt motor tool by Silverline, which is a known brand. They do decent stuff, I guess. Got a manual, you got a declaration of conformity, sanding and cutting blade, and the machine itself. Take this off. Should be a tool to open the locking pin. And this, Allen key and 2 bolts. Open the locking pin. There we go. There's little pinhole pins that fits through. Put that on top. I think that goes on top. Okay, let's lock it with the Allen key. Okay, there we go. There's no speed selection. There's a speed selection at the bottom, set to 6 as standard, and 1 as a low, and keep it as 6. Just on and off. You also got a scraper. This is for scraping stuff. This one's for cutting. This one's for scraping. Set this off. You're going to scrape stuff off with that one. This is for corner sanding. Put this on like this, and then you can put the sanding disc on top with the Velcro hook. And then we throw this on now. Cables decent length. Don't forget to take the plastic cover off the plug, and you can turn it into EU by opening this up. And you do that. There's a link in the description if you want to buy this thing. Also there's a screw hole here if you want to attach a handle, which it doesn't come with. Here I've got a floorboard style. This is from a pallet. This is the same thickness as floorboard that I have upstairs, which I need to cut open. So this is 18mm thick and 90mm wide. Let's see how easy it is to cut this. That's a lot of dust. Got some MDF here. This one's I believe 9mm thick. Yeah, 9mm. When I was removing it from this side, when I'm cutting along, I did feel a bit of a kick. This is C16 wood. It's 2 by 1.5. Gonna see if I can cut straight through. And right through. Plain, smooth timber. I'm going to try and cut through this. There you go. I didn't cut through all the way. Not bad for £30. It's not portable obviously, but if you've got a long enough cable, it does the job.